This is the general knowledge for Wiegenlied, which means lullaby. That's the word in German. And this is number 4 from a collection of 5 songs by Brahms. So 5 Lieder, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, is 5 songs in German. And they were written by a romantic composer called Brahms. He's written lots of beautiful little pieces. The marking for the tempo is andante. Andante means at a walking speed. So not too fast, but also not too slow. It's always good to have a little pace around the room to see your comfortable walking speed, and that should set the tempo. The key signature is 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp. That key signature usually reflects a key of D major, and if you look at the last note is D, so that confirms that this piece is in D major. 3/4 means 3 crotchets per bar. Each bar should have 3 beats in it. However, in the first 2 bars it looks a little bit confusing. The first bar has just a quaver. That's actually called an anacrusis. An anacrusis is when you have an incomplete bar at the beginning and it's completed at the end, and usually the amount of beats that you have in the front will be subtracted. So just as I've explained, there's a 2-beat note and a half, so there's 2.5 beats here and another half here, which will add up to 3 beats in the bar. The next bar also looks a little bit tricky. It has a whole bar rest, which sometimes also means 4 counts of rest, but this one is only 3 because there are 3 beats per bar. So this is a whole bar rest, 3 beats, and these are 2 single crotchet rests. That's 1 beat of rest and a 2nd beat of rest, and then the violinist can come in. Mezzo forte means playing at a moderately loud volume. This curvy line is a slur, so you'll have to play both of these notes in the same bow as smoothly and connected as possible. This sign here is a crescendo, which means gradually getting louder. And forte, which is the Italian word for loud. So you've gone from a moderately loud volume, got a little bit louder, and then you're at loud. This sign here is a diminuendo, gradually getting softer. Another crescendo here. This one looks like it's a little bit larger, so it's going on for a little bit longer. Another forte, which means loud. Crescendo and diminuendo. They're all different sort of sizes, but they all mean the same thing. And piano, which means soft. So that last note will be soft. You'll be playing it with a open string. These little notes here are grace notes. They're extra sort of decorative notes that you add in, and try not to alter the rhythm, the beat, and they're there to add a little bit of extra special elements to the melody.